wonga ngisaba ukuzinikela kodwa bethu Jesu asolutho wavela wamthatha ngomsa wakhe mina ngeza kuJesu ngimaniki wonga ngisaba nokuzinikela kodwa bethu Jesu asolutho wavela wamthatha ngomsa wakhe. Hallelujah.
Jesu Kristu inkosi.
uJesu Kristu inkosi.
Jesu Kristu inkosi.
Ngiyabingelela
Hallelujah.
egameni lenkosi yethu Jesu Kristu waseNazaretha. Okwegama ndingu-Emihle wakwaNgwane. Ndingu-Emihle wakwaNgwane, and nami-ke I am proud to say that ndisindisiwe ngegama likaJesu. I was saved. Now I was living in of ignorance. I didn't know a lot of things that were sins. I used to do a lot of sins not knowing that there were sins. I used to sin and not feel guilty. You know, Jemna, before ndimthatha vele Jesu, Jemna isona, I was like, oh, it's in the sense ngizophinde ngithandaze eluxolo. But then now I see that is wrong, because uNkulunkulu unikele yakhe yodwa indodana, and then ngizobona nje just take advantage of that. I saw what is wrong, and uNkulunkulu wangisindisa mina, uJesu wangisindisa, wasave impilo yami. I was on indlela leading to distraction, kodwa ngoba uJesu yena kavumanga ngempilo yami. Nawe namhlanje uNkulunkulu angayiguqule yakhe impilo, noma unezona ezingakanani uJesu angayiguqule yakhe impilo. Yena uyayihlanza inhliziyo ibe mhlophe kwa. So noba unezona ezingakanani uJesu yena uyayisave impilo, uyakwenza ukuthi ube clean. uNkulunkulu uzokusindisa endleleni ye distraction. Uzobona ukuthi izinto eziningi obozenza bezirong, just like I did. I was living a life of ignorance. Bengabona uba I was wrong all along, but then uNkulunkulu wangisindisa, uJesu wayisindisa yami impilo. Now I see where I was wrong, and now I know ukuthi kufanele ngivume izono. And into endiyithandayo ngoJesu is that he just welcomes. He just welcomes you noma unjani, noma unezono, noma sobulele abantu abayingakhi, noma sowenze isono esingakanani, noma sowone kangakanani, yena uyaxolela, yena he welcomes. And yena akakhethi, no matter the race, you are white or black, akanandaba. Akakhethi uNkulunkulu, akakhethi uJesu esindisa impilo. Njengoba abantu bethi ivangeli labelungu akusilona labelungu, it's for everyone. uNkulunkulu akakhethi, neyakhe impilo ngayisindisa namhlanje. Ngiyabonga uJesu Kristu inkosi.